How to turn on or off optimize battery charging on iPhone X. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to battery. In battery, go to battery health. Here in battery health, you can see below the optimized battery charging. And the optimized battery charging is off. To turn on this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. If this turn on, you can reduce the battery aging. iPhone learns from your daily charging routine, so it can wait to finish charging past 80% until you need to use it. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turn on, and to turn off again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And the pop-up are show, okay, you can set until tomorrow, but I decide to turn off the optimized battery charging on my iPhone X. And okay guys, we have successfully turned on or off optimized battery charging on iPhone X.